Brandon here with Lionheart Hauling and Junk Removal. Picked up a water heater on the way back from doing a job with MJD Transport and Hauling, Junk Guys DFW, and DTX Junkaholics. This was on the way home. So I got my storage spot right here. Trailer sits in here when it's not driving around picking up junk. These things are, well, if you're not equipped, difficult, but not too bad. Weigh about half as much as a standard refrigerator. So I'm just gonna drop it off to my spot and then we'll get scrapped eventually. Oh, by the way, a customer had this in their attic and he got it down by himself with some hoist system. He's got a second one coming. He's going tankless, so this is going to be a repeat customer. This little piece of plastic might fall off. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. It didn't. Just leave it right there. Water heater removal. Easy.